Universal fans, I'm Dave Flynn, and today I gotta do another unboxing video. Today we got this one. This is the E.T. the Extraterrestrial, the 40th anniversary feature plush. This plush is so cool, and it's from the movie E.T. the Extraterrestrial. I rewatched that movie back when I was a kid, and it's my favorite. You can move his arm. And you can see the back of the box. It says, E.T. phone home. It says, the backyard meeting with lured of candy that thrilling escape from and flying bikes. These are some of the icon moments from the cinematic masterpiece E.T. the Extraterrestrial, with sound and light and a light up finger. This feature plush celebrates the 40th of the over the moon adventure with this lovable lost alien. And now let's open him up. Okay, then let's open him up and see what I could use it with my special tool, which is my scissors. Okay, so let's open.
Don't leave me alone with these. Don't be snapping packages because then we'll take her out.
Oh.
Gee, I want you to come around here for a minute. No. She's only showing how flexible she is. Come on, boy.
There's E.T. There's E.T. And he's out of the box. And see, look at he does. So, and you can move. This is his. Look at on the details.
My good Christ. Oh, well, I just be on the drink, bro.
Details of him. Look at him. He is all fluffy, and his head is made of plastic. And you push his, and you see there's, and you press it and it lights up in the phrases of the movie.
Send the gifts if you're impressed. She's doing Guys, my house is up now. Did Annie and her phone? When we're all live together at your
And you can put. And you put it down. See? I give this ET doll a 10 out of 10. Thanks for watching, Universal fans. If you're a good user, if you like ET, the extraterrestrial, and so much to love, you get your very own ET doll. And so, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. And this is me, Dave, from the Toy Story fan, signing out and said for ET photo.